In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix inverted front camera on iPhone. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you're taking a selfie or using your front camera on your iPhone, and in any case you don't want to mirror the camera, or you want the front camera to not invert a text from your picture, what we can do is to just simply toggle a setting on our phone. So let's just go to our phone settings. And from here, you want to scroll down until you find the camera settings. So let's select camera. And from here, just go to the composition section and you will see an option here that says mirror front camera. So you just want to toggle that on or toggle that off, anything you prefer. So that's how you fix inverted front camera on iPhone. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.